What if I told you that you don't need a massive portfolio to land professional clients willing to pay you £300 to £500 per day? But there's an easier way to attract your ideal client 100 times quicker and without a massive portfolio. And with a higher close rate, you're going to learn the exact technique that I teach that meant one Unsplice student called Mark went from creating fan edits for his favorite sports team to running his own agency, cutting the official videos for that very same team in only 2 years. And he told me recently that he has more work coming in than he can handle, and he didn't need a massive portfolio to get there. You'll learn what that approach is and how you can do it with the best chance of success. My name is Shiny. I'm an Emmy-nominated documentary and commercial editor that spent the last 15 years working for clients like Vice, BBC, Ogilvy, and more. And my goal is to help you overcome randomly editing from the gut and consistently craft engaging edits using high-level storytelling and industry-standard workflows that premium clients pay £300 to £500 per day for. By the way, if you want my expert help cutting the perfect edit for your portfolio, head to unsplice.com/story to learn how. And most editors are constantly creating work to fill their portfolio, thinking once I have 15 pieces, I'll definitely be ready. But here's the truth. This belief is costing you months or even years of potentially lost income, thousands and thousands of pounds, because clients aren't hiring based on the number of pieces you have in your portfolio. They're making decisions based on something completely different. Now let's talk about Mark's story. 2 years ago, Mark was editing furiously. He was juggling 2 jobs. He was working till 3 a.m. He had a family. He just loved editing, and he just did it for the passion. Then he created one edit. He put everything into it. Mark told me in a quote, "My first ever edit that I really put my heart into was this fan video for my hockey team." And when he finished it, he posted it in a Facebook group. Today, Mark quit his job, runs his own production company, and he creates the official content for that exact hockey team. And all of this without a portfolio. He said to me, "We don't even have a website yet. It's all word of mouth." So no website, no 20 video demo reel, none of that. When clients ask to see his work, he told me he just finds one link to a video or two of that exact thing that they're looking for. And they go, "Okay, sweet, let's move ahead." So when clients are looking at your portfolio, they're not conducting a comprehensive review of everything. They are scanning for one thing, proof that you understand their world and can solve their problem. It's kind of like scrolling Netflix, right? You're not reading every description, you're scanning for one thing that makes you stop. And most editors think that 20 different styles proves their versatility. But all it does, it just creates noise. That client now has to work harder to find that one piece of proof that you can help them. It's like a restaurant menu with 200 items. You don't look at that and think, wow, these guys must be amazing. You just look at that and you think, how can they do so many things so well? They must be cutting corners or freezing food somewhere. So clients only need to see one perfect video. And one perfect video that mimics exactly what is in their head, whatever is in their head, and you have created it. Each video that Mark shares speaks to exactly what the client is looking for. So, what made this approach work? Well, firstly, every video is created for a specific type of client. Not necessarily sports teams, but for hockey fans who understand the emotion and the culture. And when the right person sees it, they think, this editor gets it. Secondly, it demonstrates storytelling at a premium level. Not just technical editing, but the ability to make people feel something, to craft a narrative. Editing is all about storytelling, remember. And it's those skills that separate a £150 a day editor to a £500 a day editor. The third thing that makes this work is genuine care and passion. Like Mark wasn't making a portfolio piece, but the energy that he put into it translates through the screen. So how can you create that one perfect portfolio piece? That one exceptional video that demonstrates your storytelling skills for your ideal client and makes them go, yep, this is the editor. Let's give him 300 to 500 pounds a day. Well, step one is get specific. What kind of edits do you like to do? Who is your ideal client? Would you like to work on adventure travel, food, restaurants, charities? And then think about the kind of edits that you would like to work on. Is it a commercial, branded content, social media content, YouTube content? Once you've figured that out, research exactly what that client needs. Look at the stuff they're putting out and see what really hits. See the things that they're the most proud of or what is getting the most views. See what really makes them sing. What would make them look at your work and think, this is it. This is exactly what I need. Step 3. You don't need permission. Mark didn't have permission from the team to create that fan edit and post it. Just edit. Just do it already. Step 4, pour everything into it. Like give it everything. Give it all the care. Imagine you are working with your dream client and you want to impress them so much that they hire you again. Because that is exactly what you're trying to do. Do that and the intention will show up in your edit. And then step 5, get feedback from someone who understands professional storytelling, who can get it to a premium level, someone who can help you get it better than any edit you've ever made on your own. And that is going to be the perfect edit to impress your perfect client. That is going to work 100 times faster than building a massive portfolio where you're trying to get better and better and better with every single piece. So which step are you stuck on? Are you stuck on number 1? You haven't quite figured out what you want to specialize in, how you'd like to spend your career. Are you stuck on step 5, getting professional level feedback to help you create an edit that is better than anything you've ever created before? Because I'm offering mentorship to help you in only 28 days with my personal guidance, help you build a portfolio piece that positions you for 300 to 500 pounds per day work with your ideal client. It's called the Storycraft Sprint, and you get weekly mentoring calls where I'm going to go through with you every single step. I'm going to review your work. I'm going to give you the exact storytelling frameworks that I've used with Vice and Nike and feedback that refines your edit to the level of a 300 to 500 pound per day editor. Plus, here's the amazing thing. If you just show up to every single call and you submit your work on time every single week, you can earn back your entire investment. So there's 0 risk. Now there's only 10 spots available per cohort. The next time we're going to open a cohort is on November the 3rd. So you better get fast because it's first come, first served. If you want to join the waitlist and get notified, then head to unsplice.com/story. The link's going to be in the description. Like I said, it is first come, first served for every cohort. So make sure you join the waitlist so that you can be notified as soon as the cart opens. Stop waiting until you've got enough pieces to fill a portfolio. You don't need to waste your time. You just need one perfect portfolio piece that speaks directly to your ideal client. Mark proved it works. Now it's your turn. By the way, on the call, Mark said to me, there's so much work out there. The key is good editors. So there you go. All you need to do is prove that you are a good editor with one video. One video is all it takes. You got this.